Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TX4150i. I'm going to show you how to complete alignment for this printer. After you connected the printer to a wireless network with your mobile phone using Canon Print app, you need to select on the printer image, tap on it, and it will show you printer details, and also select utility. Printer authentication is required. This function select the authentication method, then you select easy authentication method. Then you press this button for 3 seconds. Press and hold the following button on your printer for 3 seconds. So you go to the printer and press this and hold this button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then release it. Once you release it on the phone, then it will open up the utility. It will show you nozzle check, so you can check the nozzle, cleaning, deep cleaning, print head alignment, auto or print head alignment valve, roller cleaning, button plate cleaning. So select print head alignment auto. Do you want to start automatic print head alignment? Load a sheet of A4 or letter size paper, refer to manual, then yes or no, then select yes. This is the paper printed out, so you need to open the cover for the glass scanner. So open the glass scanner and stick the paper face down. Make sure the paper start from the top left. You see arrow. The alignment printed correctly. Then you select yes. Then it will show you on your mobile phone. Place the paper with the printed pattern face down on the plating. Are you ready? Then just like we did, once you put the paper, so you can select copy, color, or black to finish it. But if you are doing it on mobile phone, you can select yes, you are ready. So it's now scanning the document. If you change your mind, you can select cancel or you press the stop button. So you can do this on your mobile phone, or you select this copy, black, or color to complete alignment. And it will show you done. Then you select OK. And the next is for you to discard the paper. So this is how to align print head. You can also select other functions. Thank you very much indeed.